welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. If you are new and you like makeup, beauty, hair or hauls, then please consider subscribing. So today I have received this month's Triyit box. So I don't always get these, it's an occasional thing. You basically go online and you fill out a form, and then this company will send you samples of products. It could be food, it could be pet things, it can be beauty, makeup, alcohol, anything. But yeah, I received this month, so they kind of go through your data and match you to what they think would be suited to you. This is the second box that I've got now. Yeah, it's completely free as well to join. It's quite nice really, and then you just get to try out the products, and then obviously you go online and you fill out a form to say yeah, it was great, or no, I wasn't very keen. And it's a bit of market research really, and it just gives them a bit of knowledge as to what the public actually like. I'll pop the link in the description box. So I'm not an affiliate or anything like that, but if you want to check it out then you can. So let's have a look inside and see what's in here. Yeah, so you open up the box and then you've got, this is like your campaign booklet. So it basically just gives you a little bit of detail about what's in the box. And yeah, they'll send you an email and kind of say, can you just give her a little review? It doesn't take long. It's like a couple of minutes per product. And then obviously if you do that, they'll, you know, send you future boxes if you know, you're matched to them. So first up I've got this. So this is the insect-based cat food. Ooh, Love Bug, for the love of cats and planet. So nutritionally complete and balanced, healthy teeth and gums, developed with pet nutritionists, easily digestible. So this is obviously a cat food. So it says every bowl of Love Bug is packed with protein but contains no chicken, beef or fish. Instead, Love Bug is full of protein from insects, which are just as nutritious as traditional meat sources of protein, while being kind to the planet too. That's pretty cool actually. So yeah, I will see if my cat enjoys it. So then I've got this. So this is Ocean Saver Multi-Purpose. And this removes grease and grime. So it looks like it's kind of like a capsule that you add to water. Plant-based, green, clean technology, apple breeze. So it's obviously got like an apple scent. Yeah, it says here, look. So you pop it in 750 mils of water, give it a shake, and then you have a cleaner, which is brilliant. I love cleaning. So yeah, I'm one of these people that, you know, goes to Home Bargains and I'm straight to the cleaning aisle. Oh, I love it. It says tough on stains, soft on surfaces and easy on the nose. Interesting. Ooh. Then I've got this. So this is one of the Costa iced coffees. I actually really like these. I get these quite a lot. Dreamy Sidekick double espresso shot. This is the vanilla latte. And what's in here? 98 calories in here. That's not too bad, is it? So it says just shake and enjoy. Flavoured coffee drink with Costa Mocha Italian blend, coffee beans and milk. Yummy. Yeah, I'll probably have that in a bit actually. Nice. So then I've got this one. So this is the Bud Light Seltzer. And this is lemon and lime, alcoholic sparkling water with natural flavours. Ooh, yeah, that's right up my street. 4% alcohol, 95% calories. 95%. 95 calories. Not bad at all. It's 330 ml in there. Yeah. Might have that this evening. Then I've got this. So this is the Elixir Tonic Water, Blood Orange and Cinnamon. It says mixed by bartenders and low in calories. So this says it has 42 calories in this bottle. Yeah, 21 per 100 ml, and there's 200 ml in here. So yeah, nice. I bet that'd be quite nice with the gin actually. So yeah, quite nice packaging as well. I like this frosted look. Yummy. And then lastly, I got this. I don't actually like whiskey. So this is Black Bottle Blended Scotch Whiskey. So yeah, I might have to get someone else to try this. But this is 40% alcohol, curiously rich and slightly smoky whiskey crafted to a secret family recipe. It's lovely packaging, really, really nice packaging. But yeah, I'm just not a fan of whiskey. So yeah, that's obviously just like, I don't know, that's probably a double or a triple maybe. Yeah, so nice little selection of products really, isn't it? And yeah, as I say, it's all free, and it just gives you a chance to just try out these things and just pop a little comment in their survey thing, and then yeah, I think it's good fun. Yeah, so as I say, I'll pop a little link in the description box if you do want to check it out yourself. I do recommend it. It is just fun, to be honest with you. So I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, and I'd really appreciate it. It means the absolute world to me if you did enjoy watching this video and you would like to see more content from me in the future, and you would like to subscribe to my channel. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye!